Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and please check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. This week I was talking to an old friend of mine who decided to retrain recently and become a secondary school teacher. He's been teaching Spanish in a state school here in North London for the last few weeks. And as we were chatting, I asked him how it was going, how he was finding it. And he admitted that so far it's been a real struggle. And as he said, the Christmas holidays can't come soon enough. If you say that something can't come soon enough, you mean that you're desperately waiting for it. You'd like it to happen tomorrow. You'd like it to happen now. We might sometimes say on a Monday morning or a Tuesday morning, "Oh God, Friday can't come soon enough." Maybe some of you are feeling that Christmas can't come soon enough. Or, if you're in the middle of a particularly grim winter, summer can't come soon enough. If you're watching or playing in a football match and your team is losing really badly, then probably you start to feel that the end of the match can't come soon enough. And maybe if you're working and you're broke and you don't have any money till the end of the month, payday can't come soon enough. It's also often used to talk about a desire for change in the political sphere. So, the next election can't come soon enough. The end of this bloody government can't come soon enough. Change can't come soon enough. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. Tell us about things that can't come soon enough for you.